think I could catch him with my bare hands.
Don't bet, I dare you.
Are you trying to get me killed?
No.
Big boy.
Yeah, he is.
I just want to
He's
touch
plump.
him. I want to feel his belly.
Come over here. Come on. Do they judge by how long his tail is to his head?
Mm-hmm.
He's like 4.5 feet,
Bigger.
5 feet.
You'd be surprised. I bet
Really?
he's probably about 5.5.
Wow.
What are you doing out there?
I'm really happy he came over to hang out with us. Right?
He's just chilling. He's a show off.
I think so.
He's like a girl. That's a big boy.
Look, there's a big turtle too.
Ooh. That's a snapper.
Oh, yeah.
What if this shows up on this? Chris approaches. She's luring him in so she can leap upon him.
Look, he's coming over my feet though.
He wants your toes.
Should have brought your chicken. It's cooked though.
You could have that ham I pulled out of my friggin'
Brownie
beans.
still?
What?
You have been brownie still in your breakfast?
You want some brownie?
Let's see if I get some. He don't eat brownies. He wants
I think he wants cake.
I think he wants my feet. Maybe with me.
How high can they leap?
I don't know. Oh, he's scared.
Oh, no. I'll put him away. I'm sorry. Come back.
Big boy. Come here. Alright, it's hot. Let's go.
Yeah, it is.